fix Yahoo can't recognize my email error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you go to the Play Store application and confirm that Yahoo as an application is an updated version on your device. So let's go and check. So here, as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So all I'm going to do is go back and then tap on the Yahoo Mail application, make a long press and then tap on app info. After that, what you need to do is tap on the clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is provided here. So just tap on it, then you can clear cache as well as delete all data. Then tap on OK. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the required options required for this application to move and operate properly. So after that, what you need to do is just go back and try to make a login again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.